Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I was wondering if anybody has seen a review on the Mission 762 or iSpeakers back in 1993, if I remember right. Any old stereophile collectors got the hookup and I couldn't find them, so I was passing by and I went to the store yesterday and found these bookshelves over there. So I offered the dude like £50 and he said, alright, cool, take them. So here you can see the cabinet. It's a proper MDF wood. Correct me if I'm wrong someplace because I don't have much information about this particular model. We can see that there is a tweeter in the middle and a woofer on the top. The rubber has been taken out, I think, and replaced. Or it could be the original one as well, but I doubt it's the original one. And this is the tweeter, still in original condition. We will open it up later. There's a small crack underneath the screw, and there is the port opening, and underneath we can see the Mission 762 logo. I do have the upper grill as well, and it mentions Cyrus on it. Now, as far as I remember, these were very well balanced from 40 Hz to 20 kHz, plus or minus 2 decibels maybe. They are just forward sounding and not as smooth as you can see the Audio Note UK's K model. But for the price, I really like them. Some people call them the Cyrus 780 as well. This is the unit is made in England, and that's, I think, their serial number. Old binding posts over here. They're in good shape. It's a bit rough, but nothing which can't be fixed. Yep. Pretty solid, smooth. Something that is over 30 years old. So I think the cabinet is around 6 cm deeper than the 760i. Had the M72 unbelievable low and bass for such a small box. The M72 can be noticeably improved by inserting lead padding to the upper panel on the side, and Missions must have thought so too, so it stiffened its successor, the M72i. Some will say that the 762, with its unusually high crossover frequency, 4.3 kHz if I'm not wrong, was better than the 762i. And over here you can see it's still in its original padding. The woofers do suffer from crumbling edges though. I gave away the drivers and filters and used the 762 boxes to hose the drivers and filters of the similarly sized Kef Corelli, with excellent results, I have to say. The mission boxes are usually solid constructed from high density particle board. You can see over here, still holding up. I think this is a 3 cm thick baffle. I didn't think so there would be something wrong underneath it. Nope, no signs of water damage, nothing. If you have these mission boxes without the drivers, it would be wise to keep them because they're made very impressive. And same goes for the tweeter socket as well. So I have previously owned several pair of missions. I have found the sound a bit of a mix. The mids on many models are recessed, making them easy to listen to for extended periods. However, the high frequency reproduction was a mixed bag. Some models were smoother than the others. I had a pair of Cyrus 751s which were quite expensive in their day, but overall an excellent speaker. And this is the crossover. We can see the model over here as well, and the part number. It's still in pretty good shape. They look very dated though. So, having experimented with many speakers, these are quite neutral. If they are perceived as being slightly forward, I would agree. But I like the characteristics in a loudspeaker. I'm in my 40s now, and my hearing has obviously been diminished. It's not like I used to hear before, but whatever level of awareness these speakers may have lend itself to my personal hearing. I had a pair of B&Ws, and they're really nice. Natural sound with them. The 3.5-inch dome tweeter, giving them more airiness, was perfect for my hearing. So I tested them with the track from Pink for Light's disc, where the female vocalist is just wailing away with pronouncing a word. Sounded fantastic on these. On the B&Ws I meant, not on the missions one. So here is the part number. This is the tweeter. Let's get back to this. Tweeter is in good shape. Someone who wants a low budget speakers, I don't think in the used market you should get these around $50, $40. I don't know, maybe $30 as well.